Are you looking to create engaging and informative YouTube content, but are unsure of how to research and script your chosen topic? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of researching and scripting any topic for your YouTube channel. Step 1. Choose a compelling topic. The first step in creating a successful YouTube video is choosing a topic that will captivate your audience. Consider topics that you are knowledgeable and passionate about, as this will make the research process more enjoyable. Additionally, think about what your audience is interested in and what they would like to learn more about. Step 2. Conduct thorough research. Once you have chosen a topic, it's time to dive into research. Look for reliable sources such as books, academic journals, reputable websites, and interviews with experts in the field. Take notes as you research and keep track of where you obtained your information. This will be crucial when it comes time to cite your sources in your video. Step 3. Create an outline. After completing your research, it's time to organize your thoughts and form an outline for your video. Consider the main points you want to cover and the order in which you want to present them. This will help guide the scripting process and ensure that your video flows logically from start to finish. Step 4. Write a script with your outline in hand. Begin writing a script for your video. Your script should include an engaging introduction, a clear presentation of your main points, and a compelling conclusion. It's important to write in a conversational tone and use language that your audience will understand. Step 5. Practice and refine. Once you have written your script, practice delivering it aloud. This will help you identify any awkward phrasing or stumbling points. Make any necessary revisions to your script to ensure that it flows smoothly and effectively conveys your message. Step 6. Create your video with your script finalized. It's time to bring your video to life. Consider using visual aids such as graphics, images, or footage to enhance the information you are presenting. Be sure to speak clearly and confidently, and don't be afraid to inject your personality into the presentation. By following these steps, you can effectively research and script any topic for your YouTube channel. Remember to stay true to your passion and expertise, and to provide value to your audience with each and every video you create. Good luck.